Hello everyone, we're glad to introduce our video crash course for IBPS PO Clerk Prelims 2018. Before starting the video, I'd like to give a short intro about our video classes. Our video crash course contains 100 plus hours of videos covering complete syllabus of IBPS PO Clerk Prelims syllabus, and also you can view these videos in both the language English as well as Hindi, and also you can learn the concept from our skilled expert at the comfort of your place, and also you can revise as many as time you want. Also, video course include latest pattern question, and at the end of the video class you can practice a question as a mock test. Professional mentor will be available for guiding you on daily basis, and also there is a doubt clearing session so that you can clear your all doubts regarding any concept. For more details, visit ibpsguide.com and link is in the description box. Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. So in this particular video we will see a table based DI which is very important for your IBPS PO as well as Clerk Pre 2018. So without further delay, let's move toward our DI. Okay, so just pause the video and try by yourself first. ठीक है, एक बार आप पॉज करो वीडियो को और एक बार खुद से इसको ट्राई करो बनाने की, देखो आपसे बनती है कि नहीं बनती है। DI काफी इजी, आपसे जरूर बन जाएगी। ठीक है, देखो क्या कहता है, टेबल शोज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्संस इन 1000 who read newspaper, percent of the total person who read English newspaper out of total person who read newspaper. Okay, so English newspaper 60% of 75,000. Clear? Percent of total person who read the Hindu newspaper out of total person who read English newspaper. Now see, if I ask how many people read Hindu newspaper, you will say just find out 60% of 75,000. Then after that value, calculate 40% on that value. Clear this much? So if I ask how many people read Hindu newspaper, now see, you can solve this data mentally, friends. Now see, if you know the 75% of fractional value, that is 3 by 4. Okay, so in percentage, 75% of 60, you can say this now, either 60% of 75 or 75 of 60, same. Clear? So 75 means 3 by 4 and also 60 per 60. So this can be as 15 times. So 15 into 3 is 45,000. Using these two data, you will get 45,000 who read English newspaper. Now out of 45,000, you need to calculate, take 40% of this. You will get total number of person who read Hindu newspaper. Now see, 40% of this, 40% means take a 20%, and 20% fractional value is 1 by 5. Just calculate 1 by 5 of this. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 9,000, and just multiplied by 2 because 20% is 1 by 5. So if I multiply 2 into 20% and also 2 by 5, so 40%, same. So just double the 9,000 value, that is 18,000. 18,000 are the person who read Hindu newspaper. This much is clear. These are the tricks you can solve these type of question mentally, friends. Do not use pen or paper or such type of question. ठीक है, इस तरीके का शॉर्टकट्स आप लगा सकते हो। ठीक है, चलो अब करते हैं, देखते हैं क्वेश्चन कहता क्या है। नाउ सी, total number of person who read the Hindu newspaper in city T. So just go for city T and find out the total number of person who read Hindu newspaper. Now see, 70% of 40. So just take out 40% means just अभी निकाला हमने 2 by 5. अरे यही निकाला ना, 2 by 5 of 70,000 So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5, 2, 5 4s are 20. 14 into 2 is 28. 28,000 who read English newspaper, and out of this 28,000, 75% means 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28, 7,000. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, and 3 0 0 7 3 is 21. 21,000 is what percent of total number of person who read English newspaper in city Q. Go for city Q. See, 80% and 45%. So you know the 40% value, fractional value, that is 2 by 5. So if you multiply 2 here, then multiply 2 here also. Are you clear? So 80% fractional value is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 into 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 40, 9 4s are 36,000, 36,000, just 36,000 multiplied by 100. So 3030, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0, 2 3s are 6, 25. 5 7s are 35, 5 3 upar, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, that is 17 divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, so 3 5s are 15, 25, 3 8s are 24, 58 something, 58. So one of the option is 58.3 will be the correct answer, but as here option number E is also there, so just go for complete solution. So 3 8 24, 1.033s are 9 or 33. Yeah, just clear. 58.33 will be the correct answer, option number C. Okay, this much is information is clear. So move on करते हैं next question की ओर. Now question number 2 say what is the ratio of total person in a city as who read newspaper. Okay, who read newspaper means as 60,000, 60,000, clear, to the total number of person in the city Q who read the Hindu newspaper. So go for city Q. 80% of 45, calculate 80% of 45 means 4 by 5 of 45. So 5 1s are 5, 5 9, 9 4s are 36. You will get 36,000 here. Now 60% of this 36, 60% means how much? 60%. So just calculate the 10% of this 36,000 का 10% कितना होगा? Yes, exactly 3600. So this is a 10%. So you have to calculate 60%. So just multiply 6 here. 600, 600, 6 here, 36, 6, 3 ऊपर, 6 3 18, 19, 20, 21. So 221 600. ठीक है, तो क्या कह रहा है आपसे कि इसका रेशियो निकालना है 60,000 का डिवाइडेड बाय 21600, जस्ट 200, और you can calculate this by 3 2s are 6, 0 200, 3 7s are 21 and 3 2s are 6. So 9 8s are 72. No, go for just a small number, that is 2 3s are 6, 1 2 6 are 12, 100. Just cut down 25 and 9. 25 is to 9 will be the correct answer, option number B. So 25 is to 9 will be the correct answer. सही है, easy question था. So move on करते हैं next question की ओर. Now question number 3 say if in city U total person who read newspaper is 75% of total person who read newspaper in city R. रुक जाइए, go for city R 120. So 75% means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of 120, that is 4 3s are 12, that is 90,000 people in city U who read English, who read only newspaper, and total person who read English newspaper means out of this 90,000 who read only English newspaper is equal to the total person who read the Hindu in city R. So go for city R, same 120% of 55%, or no sorry 120 of 55%, or you can say 55% of 120, both are same. So 120% of 55 is easy to calculate. How? Just we know that 60% into 2 is same as 120%. We know the fractional value of 60%, that is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 of 55 means 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, that is 33,000. Just double this so that you can get 120. So just multiply it by 2. Clear? This much information. Now he is saying English newspaper is equal to the total person who read the Hindu newspaper in city R. So this much person read the English newspaper, and if I take 50% of this person, will get the people who read Hindu newspaper in city R. So 50% of this means divided by 2. So just cut down, same as 33%. So out of 90,000, 33,000 read the Hindu newspaper in city U. Clear? No, out of 90,000, 33,000 read English newspaper, because English newspaper is equal to the total person who read the Hindu newspaper in city R. Now he is saying, then find the total person. Then find the total person who read English newspaper, means 33,000. 33,000. Newspaper in city U is approximately what percentage of total person who read newspaper, means 90,000. 90,000. Okay, into 100. Just calculate this data. You can go for approximately 3030 11 300. So 1100. No, 1100 nahi, 110 divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 20, 3 go for 3 6 are 18, 3 7 21, 3 6 are 18. So 20.036, 36.66. Which option number B, 36.67 be the correct answer. Easy question. Move on करते हैं question number 4 की ओर. Now question number 4, that is last question. Ratio of total person who read the Hindu newspaper to the person who read Economic Times in city S. So go for city S. The Hindu newspaper. Okay. Hindu and economics. Ratio is 9:7. You can easily find the actual data of the Hindu newspaper of city S. See, 60% of 75 or 75% of 60. Both are equal. We know that 3 by 4 is a 75% into 60. 4 1 4 15 15 3 is 45,000. 45,000 who read English newspaper, and out of this 60% read Hindu newspaper. So 3 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 9s are 49,000. So 27,000 people who read the Hindu newspaper from city S. And this 9 unit is given as 9 unit, means 27,000. How much time? 9th is a 3,000 times. So this one is also 3,000 times. 7th is a 21,000. So in city S, economics times paper readed by 21,000 person. Then find the difference between the total person who read Economic Times, means this one, and the total person who read newspaper in city S. So city S 60,000. So 60,000, clear, and 21,000. 0 0 0. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 5 minus 2 is 3. 39,000. 39, option number A will be the correct answer. Easy question. So if you like this video, do like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, friends. And for the quality mock, just visit ibpsguide.com. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.